race in a long time. Who's ready for some racing?
Ken and Michelle donated a 12-gauge shotgun. The proceeds, everything we've done, is going to Jim and Brooke that pretty much lost everything during the hurricane.
Daytona Dodge American Auto Pace Car is off. I've been waiting to say that for a long time. Here we go. Green flag is out at the Red Eye. Working the outside. Oh, no contact, and there goes Bobby Holly. Into the wall, and he missed the cone. How about this to start off the 2023 season? Paul Coachy finally going to get himself a Superstock feature victory. Samuel battles back to second. Folks, let's hear it for Paul, man. This is a heck of a victory.
And there's many more to come this year. You better watch out for his 99. Kind of racing deal. I hate it happened. I'd rather, everybody finish the race, but it is what it is.
This is Tony Breidinger, who ran the ARCA circuit last season. Ran a couple of races, scored a top 5 in pro late model competition during the World Series last season. And now Tony behind the wheel of this Lee Falk racing machine. This is Isabella Robusto, who made her debut out here last season during the Red Eye, and she's back. Yahoo sponsorship and colors on this machine.
Next up is the number 81, another one of our female competitors in the 81, Anthony Campy Racing of Katie Hedinger.
And now Anthony Campy has won countless races and championships, giving Katie a heck of a hot rod tonight.
Next up, another one of our female competitors, Logan Mizuraka in the number 1 machine, making her way here from Sanford, Florida.
Logan Mizuraka driving the Florida State University College of Law sponsor machine. And Logan told me she's going to run the ARCA race at Daytona and Talladega for Ben Kennedy and Spraker Racing. And she'll have a new sponsor, Celsius, the energy drink, sponsoring her. And she said she's got a ton of them down in the pits if anyone gets thirsty. Green flag is out.
She slides out.
They stack up here off two of the Brad Mays. 3 wide on the outside, Renfro on the inside, Hedinger in the meet in the middle. Back and forth they go. Hedinger with a good launch off the corner. Steve Redditz, 84, has got a line down. Hedinger makes the pass. And Mike Scott Plumbing trying to race in number 69. Michael Hine gets it done. Second. With a Brent Cruz in his first time out. Here's the battle for third. Coming off the corner. Contact is made. Drive race to the line. Renfro holds off. Here comes the winner. Let's hear from Michael Hine in the 69.
I was really wanting to come back here and try to get some notes for Speed Week this year. And I can't be more thankful for everybody, all the fans coming out here.
For the lead, how about Tony Collinsworth from New York? Right, your winner, Stephen Wright, in car number 47. Red Eye weekend, good crowd. It's got to feel good to be back here in Victory Lane.
Oh, it feels good. I love it. I love coming out here and going fast.
Six-pack series race number 1 is underway. Now screaming a light down the back straightaway. Here comes that 112 card. Keep your eye on that red machine. He's up to second. This is for the race lead. 112. Sean Bass.
Kind of speechless.
Yeah, and I mean, this is a big race to win. It's one of the biggest mod mini races we've had in a long time. And I'm telling you, I don't think I've seen a performance like that. This is definitely a statement win.
I mean, it was good. The later the race went, the better the car got too. So I knew once we got clear of Michael, I knew he was going to be good all night.
Off of turn 4, green flag is in the air. Inside lane gets going. They shack him up in the back. Hold on. And they've caught the Hank Baker machine and Jeffrey White trying to look to the inside. On the inside looking for the lead. Good racing at the front of the field. In trouble around is Greg Dan. Jeffrey White slips off the corner, and Hank Baker had one of his best runs in a long, long time in car number 52. Jeffrey White swapping lanes, left outside, now down on the inside. Contact! Hank Baker and Jeffrey White tangle. Corbin with nowhere to go. Robinson piles in.
Would you like to improve your vehicle's performance today? PETRON Plus premium lubricants are guaranteed to increase your fuel efficiency. Our products are formulated from the highest quality petroleum-based stock and refined to give you unparalleled protection. Period. PETRON Plus premium lubricants. Trusted since 1978. Proudly made in the USA.
Well, it's all come down to this, Steve. Long delay delay, but they're going to make it worth our while. A heck of a duel for the win. 2 to go for Dylan.
Baker pulls into the infield. LeBeau with the momentum on the outside.
If you recall, Jeffrey White had contact with Baker earlier. Once again. Oh my God!
Yeah, I'm fine. Is he alright? I'm alright. Is he alright?
Ladies and gentlemen, good news over there in turn 3 and 4. Dylan LeBeau has climbed out of car number 75. Great to see. That was a serious incident. I'm sure Jeffrey White just feels the same way. That was not intentional. We're racing for the lead and racing hard, coming to a couple laps to go.
Is he alright?
Yeah, he's okay. And that was not your fault.
Dad, I just feel bad. Man, that was scary.
Son, it was not your fault. You were clearly underneath him, and then he turned into you.
Oh, I see just
Son,
go straight.
Listen, take a breath. Dylan's okay? He's up. He's out of the car. He's walking.
I don't want to finish.
All right, let's pull the car in.
Just glad to see Dylan out of that thing and doing all right. I'm sure he'll wake up tomorrow and we'll feel that, but he's young. He's going to bounce right back. Art Koonsman crashed in practice today, stuck around, and it might pay off. LeBeau with one last effort, and it will be Art Koonsman stealing one here in the wild Eli feature.
That was a tough one. Feel sorry for Dylan. Thanks, Dave, for racing me clean as always. Speedway video.
All 15 cars going to take the green. Green flag is out for Red Eye 50. So Walentynski in the 2. Around the outside. Michael Hine down on the apron racetrack trying to get that car to turn off the car. Oh, Michael Hine. Big hit. Michael Hine, Gavin Graham going to launch and flip. Up and over goes Gavin Graham. Red flag. Gavin Graham upside down. Michael Hine climbing out.
Both young competitors here came together right here on the front stretch.
And word from the EMTs over the radio, all drivers are officially okay in turn 1 after another scary incident here tonight. So we're tiptoeing through the incident scene, lots of speedy dry, it's slick, it's cool. These cars make a lot of horsepower, but don't get as much grip. Here's Rock with the lead. Bumper tag, Finch to the back, Ruggiero. They hang on. He wants to try to claw his way back into contention here. As the 18 Case runner slipping away, bumper tag between teammates for second. Two track riders in a heated battle right now. Sauter looking inside of Williams. Wallach off the 2. What a run by Johnny Sauter. He's got a rocket ship right now. Brad May trying to make a move. A lot of passing going on. The lap starting to wind down. And here he comes. Oh, teammates, close quarters action. Get it to Williams. Wallach. White flag is in the air. A lap to go for Casey Roderick. Race winner, the David Rogers Super Late Model 50, Casey Roderick in car number 18. The brothers Bromley going to lead us to green. Daniel in the 6, Tony in the 6. John Gross, the gray number 93. The red trim, the green trim colors are running together at this point. John Gross, green and gray 93, moving to the outside of Chuck Rush. John Gross moving up. He might be in line to win the hard charger award, but he's got to know a Parlo putting the pressure on. 3 to go. Top break to the 74. I think something's starting to go away. Might be a little number tag going into 3. Parlo wants that final spot on the podium. It's the brothers Bromley at the head of the field on the Bomber Breeze. Daniel Bromley leading Tony Bromley. Final time off the corner. Who's it gonna be? How about this? First time winner Daniel Bromley. John Gross hangs on for 3rd. Parlo is 4th. 5th is Rick Gates. Ladies and gentlemen, first time winner Daniel Bromley in the 6D. His brother comes over to give him congratulations.
Feels amazing. Feels great.
Worth sticking around in the cold and the long night?
Oh yeah, definitely. Speedway video, thank you.
Green flag is set to fly. Look at him stacked up here further back. John Madden in the 12 is kind of roadblocking the field right now. There goes Christopher to the outside. But a huge lead. Tom Toronto's got a half a track on these guys. Well, look at Kurt Hagen shooting around on the bottom. Trying to hold off this 09. Second on back under a blanket. Checkered flag for the final time tonight. Congratulations on a good run, Tom Toronto.
I just want to thank Speedway Video.
And we'll see you here in February for the World Series. Take care, everyone.